Hi guys, it's Denise. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just going to do a quick video about some random plant stuff and, more importantly, well-needed plant stands that I picked up from Ikea. I filmed everything already and I realized I forgot two random things, so I'm going to throw it in at the beginning. I picked up these, I think they're for candles, like candle holder things, not candle holder, but in the as is section, which I always suggest everyone check out. It's awesome. You can find some really good deals there. I got this metal hook thing for $2, and I'm thinking I can hang some air plants from it, or I don't know, I'm gonna get creative. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video, and here we go. Okay, so here's the two plant stands that I got. They are called the Satsumas. There's one that is more of like a table, and then this guy is the 3-plant one. So I don't know if you're familiar with Ikea stuff. It has a place for 3 different plants, and I will be showing you what the finished result is. I thought the name was really funny. Satsumas. This is why I find it funny. I'm a huge fan. So of course, when my plant stands just randomly decided to be called the same thing, it was made to be. Okay, so this is the 3-tier. I just pulled into the middle of my space. I have a tiny apartment. So yeah, there's not gonna be a lot of wide angle shots, or maybe there will be. I see, I'm still learning. Anyways, I just threw some random plants on there. I'm not gonna go into explaining what they are right now. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Again, I'm gonna be using this for indoor tropical houseplants. I had some things that needed bright indirect light, and at this point in time, I didn't really have a way to offer them that. So that is why I wanted to get this one. They match, and they match my table, so hopefully I'll get them both in here eventually. Okay, you know what? What the heck? Let's just talk about my plants really quick. This is one of my peperomias. And a green arrowhead plant. And a little tiny sansevieria. Very small. That doesn't mean it's any less special though. So yeah, I'd say thumbs up. Very happy. See you guys later. So this is the long Satsumas. I'm going to be putting it in the dining area in the other room eventually. The plan is to put tropical houseplants on it, not actually succulents. I just thought that would be a better use for it. Right now, the best use for it is Yankee candles and some random succulent plants. I will be doing a succulent houseplant. Well, they're gonna be all going outside, so I don't know if I can actually say that anymore. But I will be doing an indoor succulent tour before I actually do the big move of everything onto the balcony. And I'll also be doing a indoor tropical houseplant tour. So many things to film, so little time, and right now my battery is about to die. So this is the 3rd plant stand that I got from Ikea. The Somar, I'm guessing that's summer maybe? I'm not sure. So, or maybe it's just Somar, who knows, it's Ikea. It is this plant stand. And I didn't know until I got it home that you could actually turn it upside down and use it as a smaller plant stand. So that's awesome. I can't believe I actually bought this without knowing that. I did get a pot as well, just a white pot that looked perfect with the sansevieria that I brought home. And honestly, this plant is so healthy and doing so well that it's good, it's happy. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that tag off now. But yeah, I wish I had gotten another one of these, because that looks good and handy. Anything that you can use 2 different ways, I'm always for. So this is why you should never tempt fate, guys. I literally just finished filming a video where I said that I've seen no bugs, no anything, and I was very happy with this plant, and of course I still am. But I did see like a weird kind of like long walking bug thing. See, this is why I have so much trouble with insects. When I try to type that into Google to find out what it is, it just comes up with everything. The only thing I'm concerned about is thrips, because I've never dealt with that. And like, so anytime I see something that kind of looks like a thrip, like from pictures on Google, I kind of worry. So that's what I think it was, or it could have just been a fungus gnat, a really little one, but I'm not sure. Or it could have just been a house bug that like randomly, like an outside bug. This is right beside my balcony, and believe it or not, I have had insects. I've seen them in my windows, and it's cold outside. It's Canada, it's winter. Well, it's spring now, tomorrow, but yeah, there's still bugs around. So I'm not sure. I'm just gonna keep monitoring it though. It isn't by any of my other plants on my table. So we'll just have to see. Okay, so Canada, I'm not sure actually if it's American as well, but there's a store called Jisk, and it's kind of like a mini Ikea-ish sort of thing. I would say we could rip off Ikea, but I'm only saying that because the way that they market their products is very similar. So no shade to Jisk. But anyways, they had this 3-pot set that was $20. And this one in particular lost its big pot apparently when it fell off the truck. So I was able to get it for $10 off for only $10. Which is super awesome because both of them have drainage. Oh, that sounded so bad. Okay, so this pot for sure I'm going to be using for this Marble Queen pothos right here. I think it's gonna be awesome. So you can see it's about like gray, green, blue, teal, beige. Beautiful. I'm really happy with that. And the big one, I don't really have a plant that's big enough for that yet, so we'll have to see what I do. Hi guys, it is 9 in the morning and I just finished potting up my Marble Queen pothos. I just wanted to take a quick video just to show you what it looks like in the new pot. I think it looks awesome. I actually wasn't expecting it to look quite as nice. I wasn't sure if the colors would exactly go, but I think it did turn out really, really good. And I just gave her a nice water. Let's see if I can get another angle. Yeah, she looks really happy. So I would say for $10, I back up really far. Both of these pots for 10 bucks, definitely a good deal. So while I was at Ikea, I also picked up 2 light fixtures. This one will be clipping on a hanging plant hook that I have right above me. Not to actually provide light for the plant, but more of a decorative touch. And then this one is a table lamp that I'm gonna do the same thing with. In an area where I have some plants at nighttime, I'm just gonna kind of spotlight them with these. I was in need of some new lamps as well. And I got these 3 new cacti. They're made of ceramic and they're super cute. There are some areas of my house, actually a lot of areas, that get no sun whatsoever. So putting plants in those areas is absolutely something I can't do unless I have grow lights. So I thought these were really cute and a great alternative to fake plants, which I do not like all that much. That being said, I have 2 fake trees, one on my balcony and one inside my house. So maybe I'm fibbing a bit on that one. So these guys aside, I also picked up from Jisk again. I've been looking at this thing for so long. Oh my goodness. So this is a door stopper, obviously of a cacti. And I kept looking at this for probably a year. It was too expensive for me to bother buying it. But apparently that makes it worth only a couple dollars instead of 10 or 12 or $14 I think it originally was. So I don't care, and I know how to sew, so I'm just gonna fix that up and I'm gonna use this in my bedroom because I actually do need a door stopper. And finally, I got a macrame hanger. So it looks like that. And I do make these, but mine don't really look that good. I'm gonna try to make some again this summer and see if maybe I've stepped up my skill level at all. See, again with this Somar, I'm thinking that summer. Yeah, let's grab a plant and see what this looks like. Okay, I have a plant. More specifically, my golden pothos. Thank you for helping me do this video, plant. Thank you. I don't know, guys, much nicer than what I was doing. But that being said, I'm inspired to actually try again and do more macrame. This does look really good. This is a southern facing window. Not a lot of light over there though, so I can't keep this plant here, and I don't know what plants I can put here. This has been a huge question of mine for so long. I tried a fern last year and it just died. It did not work out. It wasn't getting enough light. I did put it outside and enjoyed the rest of the season out there. Any suggestions on what I could potentially hang here? It's 4:40 right now, so it's kind of getting, the sun's kind of a little bit gone, but it does get sun during the day. But yeah, that's my Ikea macrame thing. And that wraps up my plant stuff video. I'm just gonna go ahead and end this here. Hopefully I can get this uploaded tonight. I know I haven't been making a lot of videos, I just started, but I have been working on a bunch of different things that I'm just filming little segments of, and I will eventually be putting them all together, so bear with me, and thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.